So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay Hostinger monthly. So the first thing you want to do is actually log into your Hostinger account, and you can see it looking something like this. From here you can see home, websites, domains, horizons, emails, VPS, as well as billing, marketplace, and account sharing. Now from here you can see it says here save 75%, 2.99/MO or per month. So that means that you're going to be paying around $3 every month for something. So you're going to be billed monthly. And basically what that means is you go to your subscriptions and you will have your own subscription on here once you choose one, and you can click on here to see on your offers. So you can see this one is 1.99 per month. So that means you're going to be paid each month. If it's going to be if you're going to be paying it yearly or annually, you will see an option to switch it to on a month-to-month basis if it's easier for you to pay it, or you want to switch it to some other way. Basically what that means is that you can check on these plans. So you can see business web hosting, you can see for these plans how much it is per month, and you can select some of those plans, and you can basically be billed on a monthly basis through here, and you don't have to worry about getting a bigger tab, but on an annual basis. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.